This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn relational operators in GW Basic. So first we will need to learn the definition of it, and the definition is relational operators are used to compare two values. These operators evaluates to true or false. They always produce a non-zero value. In most case, 1 if the relational expression evaluates to true or a zero value if the relational expression evaluates to false. There are 6 basic relational operators in Basic. Suppose A, B, and C are 3 integer variables having values 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, and 1, 2, 3 respectively. Then so here we have assigned 1, 2, 3 to variable A, 2, 1, 5 to variable B, and 1, 2, 3 to C respectively. So how the table becomes: first we will type the operations and then symbol and then expression and then evaluation. So first we will type the equal to, which is also called comparison, and the symbol is equal to sign, and the expression can be A equal to C, and the evaluation will be like true, non-zero. The second operation is lesser than, and the symbol is this one, and the expression can be B is lesser than B is lesser than A, and the evaluation is false, 0. Third operation a relational operator can have is the greater than. The symbol is this, which is used for greater than operation. Expression is A is greater than C, like this, and the evaluation will be like false and 0. The fourth operation, viewers, we are going to learn today is the lesser than or equal to, and then the symbol will be like this. Expression will be A is lesser than or equal to B, and the evaluation is true, which is again a non-zero value. The next operation is greater than or equal to. Symbol will be like this. Expression will be like B is greater than or equal to A, and the evaluation is false, which is a 0 value. The last operation is the sixth one, the last one, not equal to, and the symbol which is used for not equal to is this one, and the expression can be is not equal to, be like this, and the evaluation is viewers true, which is again a non-zero value. So viewers, today in this video we have learned relational operators. So this is used to compare two values. These operators evaluates to true or false condition. The result can be either true or false for comparing two values. They always produce a non-zero value in most cases, 1 if the relational expression evaluates to true, or 0 value if the relational operator evaluates to false. There are 6 relational operators in BASIC. So we have learned different operations, their symbols, their expressions, and their evaluations. So that's all for today, viewers, and we have learned the relational operator today, and thanks for watching my video.